Nathan, where should you be standing? Where your front foot is. Next pup, I want to see you trapping correctly, alright? Merrick, you should be 3 blocked here. You don't have enough leech tension. Trim, trim, trim. There you go. Unless you're completely overpowered, you never want to be giving up power in your main. If you're not hiking, you shouldn't be using your main. Here comes pressure. Who's calling this puff? Mary Margaret, trim! Alright, here comes more pressure. Who's calling it? Come on! You're gonna have to get lower, Nathan! Merrick, ease, ease!
I'll just move this pin over and then one of us can anchor.
Austin, the reason he's ripping to windward of you is because you have no leech tension. You're easing and you don't have nearly enough bang on. You can't close your leech. Okay, let's look at Merrick's leech right here. You can't see, but his telltale, there's a good profile actually. His upper leech telltale is flicking back behind the main probably 30% of the time. Let's see if they transition in this light spot. Too much windward heel there. Nathan's still on the wire. Get in, man. Come on. Okay, you guys have to be calling that before the light spot hits and make the transition quickly. Can't be hiking fully on the wire in the middle of a lull. Now their leech looks pretty tight. Now their leech telltale is 100% of the time behind that on the leeward side. So they also need to ease bang when they transition into that light spot. Here's more pressure. Now they're going to start looking good again because they haven't changed anything. Merrick, you gotta ease the main. You gotta ease the main to keep the boat flat. If he's hiking as hard as he can and you're still overpowered, you have to ease the main to keep the boat flat. That's not the situation right now, but in those big puffs, okay? Austin and Jason, tack. Austin and Jason, tack.
I like that again for the bar for guys. Yep. You or Dino, my sister, and then go.
Merrick, tack on their
hands. Tack on their hands.
Merrick, tack! Nathan, why are you still trapping back like it's 35 knots? When you trap back by the traveler bar like that, you act like it's blowing 35 knots. It's blowing 10. There you go. That's the right spot. Now be ready to transition back into the boat the second you get a white patch, okay? Mary Margaret and Kelly, tack. Austin and Jason, tack.